Hello everyone, it's 6th February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from The Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have 18 killed in blast at illegal coal mine in Meghalaya. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have talks on India-US deal, joint statement in 4 to 5 days. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Cookies group boycott tribal MLAs in Manipur. Government accused them of betrayal. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have Al-Faha University admitted students based on fake NAAC grade A accreditation, says police. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Moving forward, we have UT with assembly model should be done away from the constitution, says JNK CM. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have reduction in air pollution isn't a victory but a positive signal. Again, very important for environmental success. And we have farmers stage protest against India-US trade deal across Punjab. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have Kerala Assembly resolution seeks Manrega's restoration. Again, very important for employment perspective. Moving forward, we have Discom and the road ahead. Again, very important for development perspective. Then we have rethinking battery strategy in India. The case for sodium ion technology. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have DAC to weigh acquisition of Rafale ahead of Macron visit. Again, very important for international relations as well as defense perspective. Then we have US shut down 200 illegal online pharmacies tied to an India-based criminal organization. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have army renames 246 roads, buildings and facilities to shed colonial legacy. Again, very important for defense perspective. Moving forward, we have SC flag states preference for ad hoc DGP appointments. Again, very important. Then we have UPSC adds more norms for civil services aspirants. Again, very important. Then we have NHRC notice over alleged exploitation, forced religion, coercion of women at gyms. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have webinar on biotechnology education skill development to be held on February 8th. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have India GCC nations signed terms of reference for FTA. Again, very important for international relations as well as economic perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have nuclear diplomacy set to resume at Muscat as US Iran stay far apart. Again, very important. Then we have the end of new start and a new era of nuclear rivalry. Again, very important. Then we have Pakistan concludes offensive against militants. 216 killed. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.